Welcome back, gold traders. Remember when we called this massive buy from the local low of $3,322? That wasn't luck. It was purely based on high probability setups using Elliott Wave count, Fibonacci retracement zone, Stochastic RSI, and fair value gap to nail that entry. And if you want to keep catching moves like this in real time, make sure you smash that like button, turn on the notification bell icon, and subscribe to TradeHaven so you never miss the next big setup. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll show you how this trade played out and more importantly, where gold is heading next and my next possible setup. So let's dive right in. So here's the daily chart of gold USD. So from our previous updates, we were made to understand that gold has been consolidating for the past few months in this double zigzag pattern, and this ABC we have here is the first zigzag of wave W, and this second ABC we had here was second zigzag of wave Y, which was connected by this wave X. So the subsequent update we did on gold, we projected that yes, this 1 2 3 4 5 move to the upside, which was more like an impulsive move, is actually a pattern reversal signal since we had a break of structure here, and also comparing all the moves we had previously, this was more than all of them put together, which is more like an overbalance of price. So we then project that yes, most likely the price of gold will rally to the upside, breaking out of this wedge pattern which we have been having for some time now. So we then projected that yes, there's a fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap here, and also we will be anticipating the price to get to fill this gap. And once we get into this gap and we have our confirmation, we'll be taking our buy from the 61% retracement ratio, fib retracement ratio, and of which we got into this zone. And here was our fib retracement ratio, and we got to the 61% retracement ratio, which is a golden pocket. So we then looked out for confirmation for a buy, and of which, zooming closer, we got this internal change of character, a break of structure here, telling us that most likely this low is in, and we should be looking for buy to the upside. So we then project that yes, once there's a retracement to this zone, we are taking our buy. So we got another 61% retracement ratio into this zone again. So at that point, we jumped on our buy setup. And as many that also missed that particular buy setup because it was on a Friday, so we had to project another entry target for them the subsequent week. And we now evaluated our Elliott Wave count for this particular move, that since this was 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, we should be and we have seen our A B C D E to the downside, so we should be anticipating a follow through to the upside, which is that of wave 3 to the 1.618 fib extension, and of which that also will be an impulsive 1 2 3 4 5. So what we are having right now, we were having as of that time of our entry, was more like our 1 2 3 4 5 of wave 1 of wave 3, and we will be seeing wave 3 of wave 3, which is the most explosive wave, which we stated in our previous video. In case you've not watched them, I encourage you to go back and watch them, and I'll also tag them at the end of this video, so you can also follow the end screen to watch them. So now, and also if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our juicy updates. So that was how we projected subsequently now, since we have wave 1, wave 2, and a wave 3. So those that missed out of this particular setup should wait for a retracement into the zone of wave 4 retracement, which is usually the 38% to 50% retracement ratio. So that was how we got this zone, and we tapped into it that very week, and we hopped on the trade. Subsequently, after the breakout of this zone, we took about 4 other trades, which we were not able to share with you guys because of our busy schedule in the hospital. Here is one that we took on Friday, and you can see the massive profits we made. So having showed you guys how we were able to project this, so the juicy and the most important part of this video, and I'll urge you not to just end this video along the line, watch it to the end so you will not miss out on our next target and our next possible trade setup. So usually with 3 targets is about the 1.618 retracement of wave 1 as the minimum target, although we can extend even up to 2.618, 3.618, and even 4 maximum. So here are possible targets for wave 3, and we've smashed through the minimum target of 1.618 already, and here's our next target, which is about 36.46 dollar level, which we are already encountering as a resistance level. And based on our Elliott Wave count also, we've seen wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and it is our wave 5 we are experiencing right now. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think wave 5 is already at the end, or we should be anticipating more to the upside? Or do you think this resistance level of fib extension hold, or you should be anticipating a follow through to the upside still? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So for me, I think we are steaming out already, and based on our based on our Elliott wave count, we should be anticipating a wave 3 top, and we should be hoping to have a correction for wave 4. And if we are to assume that yes, wave 3 is top already, then we should be projecting that yes, wave 4 will be about the zone of uh, 38 to 50%, and even maximum 61% retracement ratio of wave 3. So based on that, let's mark out our zone. So we should be anticipating wave 4 correction into this zone. And if we are to project this based on time, fib time retracement too, then we'll take from this the time it took from here to this top. Mind you, we are assuming that here is the top. So in case we have a new top and uh, we begin to have our wave 4, we'll use that as the new top, and I'll update you guys on the group. But let's take this as the time it took to get to the top. So based on this, a 38% retracement, 38% of the time it took to get to the top is usually to get to wave 3 top is usually the target for the time for the minimum target for wave 4 to happen. So based on that, here is our zone for wave 4 that we are projecting. So having shown you guys how we were able to project this massive buy and breakout of gold right from the beginning, and how we took some trades and we had massive profit on that, and also our next possible setups and what we should be looking at. So I hope you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our juicy and timely updates. Stay smart and stay rich. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.